What is good, my brother? Am I the only one that's addicted to dates? Like, I wanted to say it, bro. I woke up and I ate like 3 dates. I just came after school, ate like another five, bro. I'm probably gonna come back after work today and eat another three, bro. I'm eating like ten dates a day. I got this big bag. I'm almost done with it, bro. Alright, let's talk about the relevant stuff. Here's the trade that I took today. Or might as well just Here's the trade that I took today right here, bro. Absolutely crazy. Oh yeah, okay, it's not showing no more. But I'm up to 52 on my 50K evaluation. It's almost at $52,000, bro. Wow. Bro, I say this every single video. Thanks to Jesus, bro. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you for my hard work and his guidance. Wow. This was a weird trade. As you can see, it was literally only one 1 minute candle. Like literally, if we were to mark it out, it would just be like this, bro. I literally, okay, so what happened? Why I took it, right? Let's talk about why I took it. So on the 4 hour, we had this fair value gap, this one right here. And my idea for the trade before when I was doing pre-market analysis was for it to get hit and we either go higher to the high or like to some sort of 15-minute gap. And NQ had this high, which ES had as well. These are like forward tests, they didn't hit. And ES had it as well, but look how much higher it is, bro. So it's pretty much a very high time frame, a very prominent SMT. Right? NQ took it. ES wasn't even close to taking it. So now we're in this 4 hour gap and we'll see how that holds. We are holding structure, but like look at these weird candles. They have like weird volume. And I feel like we might respect this weekly gap, bro. Well, tomorrow, yeah, so tomorrow we might actually hold it. If we do, I might not trade until we like actually get a trend. Okay, it doesn't matter about ES. Let's go to NQ. My whole idea was that it hits this gap and we push higher. Obviously, the rest of the day didn't push higher, but I got my piece of the pie. Let's see why I took it. So, what I wanted to ideally happen is we inverse this gap and then we pull back. So after this candle, this one I wanted to pull back, and if you saw my reel, I was like starting to do this, and I wanted my trade to be this. A little bit more would have been like a better risk to reward, right? Five, like 1 to 3, 1 to 4. But this is what ended up happening, and it was actually a lot more confirmation because we broke structure with this move and then we pulled back. But to be honest, I hesitated to enter at first because of this whole big imbalance, because it could have went all the way down. And look, you can tell, you can see I pretty much almost top ticked the 1 minute candle. So we had two retracements into the gap before we tapped the 50 minute, which was my target. You can see one, bro. I need to like change the colors. You can see the first one right here. It pulled back only down there, and then it started moving back, and I hesitated on that move for some reason. Then it pulled lower, and then as it started pulling back, I entered because that was a good confirmation for me, the fact that it was already pulling out of the gap. And then literally it was right here, then it flipped to a bullish gap, and when it was over here, it just like nutted a wick into my stop loss, and it didn't even fill at first. And then I was up 190 like over here when I was in the trade. It said 190, but ended up being up 250. I don't know if I can actually show sell. You can probably like do the math on this, but I'm not trying to. Yeah, 3. Oh, I can press this. It'll show it. Will it show it or no? No. Okay, I don't know. But then we got a deeper retracement and it tapped into it was literally like a 10-second trade, bro. I am not gonna lie. It was very nice. Honestly, I should have sized heavier. I went in with 3 micros on NQ. And if this was 250, that means my stop was probably like $100. If this is like a 1 to 2.5, yeah, this is literally like $100. And my usual risk, I want to do around 150 to 200 on a trade. And it doesn't matter. I mean, I could have been up 400, but it's the fact that I keep seeing this, and bro, I've been so consistent, bro. I was up 1.4, like pretty much 1.5k last week. So my account was at 51.1, and to this week it's at almost 2,000, and we still have tomorrow. We'll see how that goes. I'm gonna be careful tomorrow as well. I don't want to get overconfident, bro. The market, it's gonna do whatever it's gonna do, regardless of how I feel or what I want it to do. But bro, it's amazing. It's been amazing, bro. It's been absolutely amazing. Just a piece of the pie, bro. And I'm gonna pass this. I don't care when. I know I will pass it. Because if I already ran up 2K, I can easily run up another K. And then after that, I can easily run up more, bro. I don't care. I'm gonna do this stuff, bro. What did I want to say? I wanted to say something today, bro. I don't know, bro. I forgot. But this is the trade recap for today. It looks like I just love my setup, bro. Just a big monitor, laptop. Very nice, bro. Very nice. Oh yeah, and my target. Why was my what the hell? Okay. What the hell, Bert? Why was my target that random 50 minute? It was because after liquidity, which pretty much this was, we had the 4 hour gap and we had all these lows. So price took liquidity, and price really likes, from my experience, from other traders that told me, literally like a trader that's funded literally millions, he told me price really likes 15-minute gaps after liquidity, and that is exactly what happened, bro. So what you could do is either you take the trade to the 15-minute after the liquidity sweep, or after the 15-minute, either if it breaks or rejects. My One of the guys in my Discord actually took it. He took literally this exact short. I don't know where he took it, but he took the short off the 15-minute. So the 15-minute gaps are really powerful. After liquidity, that's the main thing. Or not even after liquidity, sometimes what market likes to do, and when I wanted it to do, and what it on NQ, and it actually did do it on ES, was pull back to a 15-minute gap first, and then it moves to liquidity. As you can see, I'm already on the 15-minute. Look, market opens. This is the market open right here. Let me just delete this shit. Market opens. We have this 15-minute gap. It pulls back to it, and then it runs down to liquidity, which I wanted NQ to do the same thing, but it was just a bit short. This is the gap. It was just a bit short. It did pull back to a 1 minute, but not to the 15. You can see it right here. It only pulled back after, and that's what I caught. But ES did. And yeah, bro. So tomorrow, we will see if we move lower tomorrow. But I don't know. I'm not as clear tomorrow. We will see. We will see. I'm not as clear tomorrow. Maybe these lows, this low gets it taken out. We have this opening gap as well, which, bro, it's a very good, like, big magnet, and I feel like we might take it out. I don't want to make no predictions. I'm not as great. Oh, that's what I wanted to talk about. It's actually crazy how, like, the skill of trading means you can literally predict financial markets. Like, this is a financial market, And literally in the morning, I said to myself as I was doing analysis, what I wanted the market to do is pull back to this 4 hour. Yeah, it's not as big of a move, but this is all you need to literally never work again, bro. I don't care what happens after my move, after what I caught. It's actually crazy, bro. It's actually crazy. And what I honestly could have done is no, I don't like taking turtle soups, but I don't know if it's even a thing. Turtle soups are fair value gaps, but like taking this, and if you just target a 1 or 2. Oh no, I would have got wait like 1 or 2.5, 1 or 3. Like this is good. Risk 150, make like what 450. Yeah, bro. This is the recap for today. And bro, this is going amazing. I'm really grateful for everything. To Jesus Christ, to my hard work. It's crazy when you have a purpose and you have someone powerful like Jesus by your side. You just become unstoppable, bro. Unstoppable. I literally be writing it in my journal. Let me see what I wrote today. It's insane, bro. It is insane. Also, what I wanted to talk about is a routine. This is my this is my routine right here. Pre-market routine. I wake up, I shower. Obviously, I just kind of have it ticked. I always do anyway. Meditate. It said 40 breaths. But what I do now is just 3 minutes on Medito. It's an app. Obviously, pray or read rules on Notion every single morning. Check news, and then this is after the trade or the trading day. And bro, I've been going crazy with this. I don't know how to show previous months, but yeah, bro. Can I change it right here? Oh yeah, you can see right here. Almost every day. Some days I miss. I think I slept on these days. Some days I miss. Some days markets closed. But bro, you really gotta have a routine. And what I journal today, bro. I'm making these videos for myself. I know they're long and boring, but like it's for myself or whoever wants to watch it. Like if you find this boring, bro, I'm just a regular dude. Imagine I don't know, bro. I'm really doing this stuff, bro. I'm really doing this stuff. So if you don't want to watch it, you, that's cool, bro. This thing is loading, bro. Oh, May 1st, right? Today is May 1st as well. And this is what I do to journal my trades. It's pretty much I step by step I write what happened in Q252 in like 2 seconds, exactly what I wanted to happen. This is right after I take the trade. You can see the actual executions right there. Have all these questions. I don't really answer them. I don't, yeah, bro. I don't really answer them anymore, but I used to like literally every time before. Yeah, I just write down what I did, or I kind of do answer them like in these like steps. But this is what I write, and bro, this is very important to gather data, bro. Another yapathon. I'll catch you in the next video, brother. Let's get it. This is our year. We're doing everything we said we're gonna do this year, bro. If you want free help, in my Discord in the description, absolutely free help. I am gonna charge money for it in the future, because I know I'm gonna quit my job with this, and I really want to help people do the same. And I am doing it for free right now. So join that stuff, join that thing, bro, and let's get it. This is absolutely our year. We're doing everything we said we're gonna do this year, bro. Let's go. Oh, shit. I wasn't recording. No, I was.